Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this Golden Peach Blush from Benefit, and it's the Georgia blush. And I got this in my October 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. And if you have not seen my unboxing video of that yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this retails for $30, which I think is very expensive for a blush. I think blushes are definitely a type of makeup product that I do not think you need to spend a lot of money on. I mean, there are some amazing dollar store or Shop Miss A blushes. But getting over that fact, I am really excited to try this out. I do love the brand Benefit. I wear the Benefit Hoola bronzer all the time, and this is kind of in the similar realm of that. The Georgia Peach Blush is a cult favorite from Benefit as well, and it has the classic packaging here. It does have a mirror. Ooh, and it actually smells really good. I wouldn't necessarily say it smells like peach, but it kind of smells like flowers, kind of like a perfume. And it does come with this brush applicator, which feels very soft and nice, so I'll give that a try. Before I apply it to my face though, I want to go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, a buttery feel. Oh, that barely shows up at all. I feel like this might be better for a highlighter, because it doesn't actually have much like pink pigment to it. So like, can you even see that swatch on my hand? Not really. And I feel like the mirror in the packaging is a little too small, so I'm gonna use my actual mirror. But let's first start out using this applicator here. I feel like I need to pick up so much of it because it doesn't have much pink color to it. But let's see how it is when I apply it. I mean, I applied all of it to my cheek and I see absolutely nothing. I don't see any glow. I don't see any color. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a blush brush, and since it's not super pigmented, I'm actually gonna pick up more of like a dense brush to try and get more pigment payoff. Okay. So picking up more of the product, and I don't love this packaging. It's a very shallow pan, and it's kind of weird that it's so deep in the box like that. But okay, let's see if I can get something to show up on my cheek. No, like if anything, it's almost looking slightly orange. And it's not even really giving like glow as if I were to use it as a highlighter. I'm really trying to make this work, but I'm gonna try picking up a lot on my finger right now. And let's see if I can use it. I mean, it just seems like it doesn't really have like anything to it. No color, no pigment, no shine. What is going on? I'm like very surprised. And I don't even have like dark skin at all. Like my skin is very fair and this is barely showing up. And considering it's $30 and I'm layering and layering to try and see anything, like I'm going through this product so quickly. Yeah, I feel like as I'm kind of layering it up, it's not looking like pink or peach, it's looking kind of like orange and not flattering and really emphasizing texture. I mean, let's go ahead, try it on the other cheek. I'm shocked by this. Like, how? How can they benefit? A brand that I really like come out with a blush that doesn't do anything. I was hoping, like, even if it didn't have much color, to have some glow. And maybe, I mean, I have applied so much. I think now you can see a little bit more glow to the skin, but I just really don't like the color. I don't like the texture. Yeah. My only thought is that if someone has even more fair skin than I do, this could be something they would like, just because I've never seen a blush like so fair before. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of this, as you can tell. And I was so excited to get this, so excited to try it, which makes me feel a little bit more let down that it didn't work for me. But I'm very curious to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below if you've tried it out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.